everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a YouTube video using Canva. Let's get started. Open Canva, click on Video, and choose YouTube Video to create a new project. In the Design section, select a template that suits your video's theme and style. Next, go to Uploads, click on Upload Files, and upload your video content. Drag and drop your video onto the placeholder to replace the existing video. Adjust the duration as needed. Double-click on any text on the video to edit it. You can also add other elements as per your requirements. Once you're done, go to Share, click on Download, and make sure to choose MP for video file type for download. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.